Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a question that is related to the percentage. So the question we are having that is, Neetha bought a book at 30% discount on the listed price. Had she not got the discount, she would have paid rupees 82.50 extra. At what price did she buy the book? So here we have to find out the price of the book after the discount, that is 30%. So here the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the exact price of the book. So for this we take, that is, let the price of book be, that is, X. So we have just taken the price for the book, that is X. And now if you take a look in the question, so it says that 30% discount. So here we take, that is 30% discount. So this is the 30% that is discount. The 30% of the price of the book is how much? So if she did not paid the 30%, it means in the question also you can say that she would have paid 82.50 rupees extra. So this means that 82.50 is the 30% discount of the total price of the book. So this means that 30% of the book, that is 82.50. So this price is the discount, and that is 30%. So now we can be able to find out the exact price of the book. So this becomes, that is 30 divided by 100 of X is equal to 82.50. So the price of the book we get, that is X is equal to 82.50, and this 100 goes upward, multiplies by the above portion. So this becomes, that is, and this 30, it divides the above portion. I hope till here you have completely understood. So this becomes that. So if we multiply, so this is 82.50. If we multiply it by 100, we get here, that is 8250. So 82.50 multiplied by 100, we get the answer, that is this. So this becomes, that is X is equal to, so we have just multiplied and got the answer, that is 8250 divided by 30, and here we cancel out 0 0, and this becomes that 3 ones are and 3 275s are, that is 825. So here the exact price of the book, that is 275. So X we have just taken as the price for the book. So this is the price of the books. And now she paid a discount of 82.50. So the discount paid by the book owner or the bookshop, that is, so this is price is equal to, so the book price minus by the discount. So this is the price, and this is the original book price, and we have just taken X as the price of the book. So here X is equal to 275 minus by the discount, and the discount she have got, that is 82.50. So 82.50 we minus it from the original price of the book. So this becomes, that is, this is equal to 192.50. So this is the price she paid after the discount for the book. So this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.